I started my green onions just a little over 7 weeks ago. And look at them now. They're going wild. In my previous video, which I'll link to in the description, this is how I started out. Within a week, this is what I had, and I was already picking them as if they were chives. I do pick some every day, but I still have so many. What shall I do with them? Okay, friends, I just gave this gangly pot of scallions a quick haircut. You can see all of these that I took out of the pot. And look how many are still left. Now, you might hear some thunder in the background. It is about to rain. I've just rinsed all of these green onions and I'm about to chop them up and see how many dehydrator trays they will fill. Okay, so I was able to fill up 4 out of 6 dehydrator trays. Not bad. I will put this in a dehydrator at 125 degrees until dry. Okay, all done, and I'm now filling a jar with my dried green onions. They've kept their color beautifully. They are very dry, but I will shake the bottle several times a day for a few days to make sure I don't see any sticking to the sides or bottom. If I do, that means too much moisture is in them and they go back into the dehydrator for several hours. Normally, I would put these in a mason jar and vacuum seal it, but I will go through these in 2 to 3 weeks, so there's no need. I use them in many ways. I can throw them in quiches, on top of baked potatoes, in potato pancakes, in dressings. So now I have free, organic green onions forever. And if I wish, I have my choice between fresh or dried. If you missed the video on how to get started with green onions, click the link above or in the description. I would very much appreciate it if you would like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified of the next video in the Tiny Garden series. Thank you for being here. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.